how successful a person can be in this influencer marketing industry. I would suppose 30% of this is attributed to the Kardashians. They've got 10 fingers, 10 toes, 2 ears and a nose, just like you. So visual platform, everybody knows how to use it. People love to keep up with their favorite celebrities and creators. So Instagram is the main platform to keep up with them. But businesses have also started using the platform to advertise their product through sponsored posts or videos showing their products. For me, stories, putting paid promotion behind them helps you reach a wider audience, helps you build your following, and then attracts them to your main feed. Stories for the everyday, easy to capture content. Doesn't have to be overly produced and overthought, but then when you export that onto your live feed, because you want to have a certain persona that you put out, a certain brand, a certain look, then you curate that a little bit better. On Facebook, this is where we're talking. We're talking a lot, we're engaging, we're arguing, we're fighting, but that's where you get to know your audience. I think Facebook is the main market of all the social media markets. That's where the masses are, that's where the people are, that's where the community is. And don't yak on Facebook because it seems to be not cool. It's the Alexander to the Santa. No. On Facebook, there are a lot of people that you can be engaging with. 5,000 friends, I see that. But look at the pages and how you can grow that to millions of people in establishing a community, and that's where people are really free to engage. It's a little less curated, it's a little less stuffy, it's a little less bougie. On Facebook, we talk about water, so see that as your water love. Everybody loves water love. You can be watching water love in the mansion in Camps Bay, but you're watching water love. So I really love Facebook for that. TikTok, we all know TikTok is where it's at now. There's everything from education to how to build a rocket on TikTok. What I want to say about this one is don't be pressurized into becoming a TikToker if it's not your thing. If you're seeing people going viral, and there are millions of people with millions of followers on TikTok, but it's becoming increasingly difficult for them to monetize that because the OG platforms are still there, it's still where it's at. So if you're great on TikTok, we love it for you, go viral, very easy. But do not feel pressured to abandon the other pages simply because TikTok is where it's at today. With X, Twitter, not for everyone. Here you really have to have the stomach of the and okay, because so much can be said, so many things can be said, but if you're there knowing what you want to get out of it, post and go, or post, engage and then go, and just block out the noise. But do not underestimate the power of Twitter and how influential it can be. I'll go back to Kat. She posted something as a story on Instagram saying it's going to go onto TikTok, and then someone imported it onto Twitter, and the conversation went crazy. And then she got a call to be here today to come and talk about what she's talking about. So there's so many conversations that can be generated out of what happens on Twitter, because it is a conversational platform. It is where everybody has an opinion, and sometimes that opinion can get you paid. Then WhatsApp, my fave, owned by Meta, the parent company of Instagram and Facebook. WhatsApp is a messaging platform, as you know, but this is more of a private platform in the sense that only people you know and trust can be on your WhatsApp. However, you can start creating communities and building communities on WhatsApp that you can create your community, take that link, post it onto all your other social media platforms to attract people who are interested in what you want to talk about in that community. Similarly, people are doing that on Instagram now, but do not underestimate WhatsApp, because WhatsApp stories are sometimes where it's at your contact base. If I have some really powerful people on my contact list, and that's where they are watching stories. They don't have time for Instagram, they don't have time for TikTok. So I'm curating some things onto my WhatsApp stories so that I'm exposing them to what I'm doing, and then that helps them think about where to place me in their campaigns. So WhatsApp, very powerful. Then I'm going to go into the social stats very quickly. More importantly for me is our top users for social media. Almost 62% use social media to keep up with family and friends that we know. Around 47% use it to stay up to date with news and current events. But 43% of people are using it to see what everyone else is talking about. That's a very important statistic, because if you look at all the people on social media, there is someone for you to talk to. There is someone for you to sell something to. There is someone for you to, I'm going to go back, for you to be able to reach. But the most used platforms, WhatsApp, as mentioned, the one that we underestimate the most. 93% of social media users in South Africa are using WhatsApp. Apart from that, if you look at Facebook, it takes second position with 83%. Instagram sits at 70.5%, and that's of SA interaction. We're able to say